Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Technical channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable voice to text mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max to use voice typing. At first, open Settings. Here, tap General, and now scroll down till you see Keyboard over here. Now, here in the keyboard, scroll down till you see Dictation. Here you have Enable or Disable Dictation. Enable that. Enable Dictation. And now here as you can see we have Auto Punctuation too. It's up to you. Now we can use our dictation. Wait a moment, I will show you this in a moment. Here, Notes, New Note. And now here as you can see we have the microphone icon. Hi everybody! Today we're going to use the voice typing on our new wait a moment. Voice typing on our new iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's working as you can see. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.